Today we'll show you how to install the Tekonsha Prodigy P3 trailer brake controller, part number 90195. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Start by first determining which mounting location and which mounting bracket you want to use to mount your brake controller. You can use the traditional bracket mount or the under dash pocket mount. As you make your decision, keep in mind that the brake controller should be mounted in the direction of travel and horizontally level side to side. Once you've made your decision, securely mount your chosen bracket or pocket mount. Drilling pilot holes may make this easier. If you're using the traditional bracket mount, use the supplied number 8x3/8 screws to secure it to the vehicle's dashboard. Then, insert the remaining screws on each side of the bracket into the mounting holes to secure the brake controller. Adjust your P3's mounting angle to the desired position and tighten until snug. If you are using the underdash pocket mount, securely mount the small metal bracket using the supplied number 8x3/8 screws. Then, securely mount the T-slot mount to the small metal bracket using the remaining screws. Now, snap the Prodigy P3 into place. Next, we will connect the brake controller to the vehicle's wiring. Provided with the Prodigy P3 is a universal brake controller wiring harness, which can be used to wire your brake controller into any vehicle's braking system. To do this, follow the universal wire harness installation instructions provided with your brake controller. Tekonsha also offers custom brake control wiring harnesses that make it easier to connect your brake controller to your vehicle. Its plug-and-play design allows you to simply plug one end of the connector into your brake controller and the other into the vehicle's electric brake controller harness connector. For this installation, we chose to use a custom brake control wiring harness to connect the Prodigy P3. It is recommended that you set up and test the functions of the brake controller with a trailer before towing. That concludes the installation for a Tekonsha Prodigy P3 trailer brake controller, part number 90195. For more information on this and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.